so we need to get some gas. Low-key, I don't even know though, because this meet, going up to a meet, is actually kind of close to the house, so I might not even fill up low-key. I might just wait. Got Marcus in front of us. He's coming along. Pretty much just gonna get gas, pull up to the meet, see what's popping, and maybe go out to Mexico. Who knows? We will see. But it is a little hot tonight. Passed a few cops so far on the way to the station. I wonder what the price of E is right now. Dude, the one day we were here, this shit was like $3 a gallon for some E85. What's going on here? I'm like a whole ass meat. Oh, it went down. $2.85 a gallon. Thank God. That shit was like, I think $3.15 the last time I was here. For E85, that shit is crazy. All right, let's get this show on the road. Cap that too. We got Marcus still breaking in his car. He told me today he's 400 out of the 1,000 miles down, so he should be able to complete it before 2K. The thing is though, I think he wants to get some test hits in before we even leave for Dallas. That he might be pushing the clock, I'm not gonna lie. 400, I mean, nah, he can definitely get it done, bro, for sure. But it can't be just highway miles with that as well. He actually has to like get, you know, I think it's like 1,000 shifts or something like that, or for the clutch it's like 1,000 or 400, some shit like that. He has to do shifts, and then also for the transmission he needs to break in miles. So, but he's almost halfway. He'll definitely get it. I'm gonna have to take that bitch out for him. No, I'm just playing. I drove that car once on the old setup before he dropped the trans in. I drove it. It's on his channel. I didn't post it on my channel, but I did drive that car. I drove his S650 too, like a year ago. That thing's way easier to drive though. That car's impossible to stall. Like, and I don't even drive manual like that. I literally hopped in it and drove it home because we had to pick up. I think this car was at a shop and I had to go pick it up. But yeah, them new S650s, you can't stall them, man. Too much protection. It'll literally gas it before you stall it. But we got a nice little 15-minute drive, and then pull up. Hopefully the meet's good. I mean, it's getting close to 2K, so people might be staying inside. But we're about to find out. You said you wanted to race? Yeah. That would be. What? Yeah, there's a lot of. All right, it's only 13 minutes away. He ain't capping. We would be going to jail so fast. I've never even dug this car. I've never done a dig, ever. About to turn this on too. Drop the windows a little bit. We gotta chill 13 minutes to the meet spot, so we gotta just chill. Yeah, I've never dug this car. I mean, I'm not gonna do it now. Especially at the power we're making, I'm good. 60 rolls and 60 rolls only. But shit, 79 degrees out. It is a beautiful night. This is what I like, man. When it's nice and warm outside at night, I can just wear, you know, a t-shirt. Probably could have shorts on right now, but I usually don't get hot if I have pants on. It's the shirt. Or sorry, it's if I have a hoodie on, then I'll get hot. But I'm usually like probably cold all the time. I have like pretty shitty blood circulation. Like my hands and feet are always fucking cold, dude. It's kind of annoying because I'm like just always freezing. But I'm just ready to get a run in with Marcus. Once his braking miles are done, and it'll be after 2K, we're gonna get a run in, and we're gonna settle this shit. He thinks he got it. He thinks it's gonna be a good gap too. So, win or lose though, dude, I don't care how it goes. I'm just excited because when I came down here a year ago with the Supra, got my doors blown off. But now I can actually like somewhat compete, so we'll see. His car does make a little more power, but he does have a manual. But if I'm being completely honest as well, with Marcus it doesn't matter if he's in a manual, man. He has driver mod. He has crazy driver mod. That dude can shift damn near as fast as his 10 speed. So I gotta give that to him. And it's hella respectable, bro. Like, dude, being at that power range, like, and having to shift and shit, like, dude, that's gotta be crazy. That's gotta be so nutty, dude. Like, I definitely got respect for manual drivers for sure. But me personally, I'm just not, like, it's cool and I can see why people say it's like more fun and it's more skilled, which it definitely is, but I personally, I wouldn't want to do it every day. I just like chilling, like just to this meet, like I like chilling, like he's probably just chilling in 6th gear, but like just the red light, you know, stop and go, 1 2 1 2. There's another one right there. Yeah, they out tonight. They definitely out. Yeah, definitely. I don't know, I'm just not interested in the manual shit. It'd be cool, but maybe find a second car, but even then, like, I don't really have any interest. Maybe I'm a pussy. But well, we got 7 minutes. I'll catch up with y'all when we are pulling up to the meet. All right, literally a couple minutes later. 2 minutes out from the spot, and we better pull up to see what's going down. And hopefully it's good, man. We're getting close to 2K. This isn't a pre-meet either, so I don't really know what the vibes are. I know we got a pre-meet in like 2 days, then we got another one I think on Sunday. It might be Saturday, but I think it's Sunday. Oh shit, yeah, it looks popping. Yeah, it looks popping. Although I hear VQ revving the shit out of their car. That's a G37 or a Z. It's probably a G37. Got cars across Texas. Oh. Damn, bro. As soon as we pull up. gonna give this dude a call.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. Is not available.
Yo,
At the tone, record your message.
cut that shit out, Brandon. Better leak this dude's number. Pull in here real quick, see what the hell he's thinking. That's crazy. I know. Hold on, let me back. Hold up. Now what?
I guess I like to do gas station.
Yeah, I know. That's where I was trying to go, but I didn't see one on the map. They'll probably post a second address. All right, I'll follow you to one. That thing bouncing. That thing bouncing. All right, we got the new address. We're on the way. 10 minutes away. Hopefully this shit doesn't get popped again. That was like early, man, right when we got there. Got Lambo on a beadlock. In Mexico, and we're about to go get a couple runs real quick. Little sketched, but hopefully we can pull through and manage to get a couple runs for you guys. But I will catch up with y'all when we get these runs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those 2 runs. It was really only supposed to be that other Mustang, and then had Civic with that damn laptop pulled up out of nowhere. I wish I had my 360 cam on the car, because that run with the Mustang was actually extremely close. We were literally door to door. He was right there. I just don't think my GoPro had a like wide enough angle to capture it, but if you like, as soon as I let off, you can see like he's right there. So that was actually an extremely close run. But yeah, this car, man, this thing's putting in work. We got a couple more days until Texas 2K, and we'll be going down there to hopefully get some crazy runs in. When I'm down there, I'm gonna try and run basically just shit that I've never ran before. You know, no Houston cars, just trying to run anything that's, you know, not from Houston. So hopefully we can put in some work at Texas 2K. I definitely think this setup is more than capable of putting in some work down there. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and a sub if you're excited for some Texas 2K content. But with that being said, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.